So, this Saturday, January 11th, on Satideh morning runnings, we'll be talking about forgiveness. What's the quality of your forgiveness? Do you forgive and forget, or do you just forgive and you don't forget? How do your family members consider the kind of forgiveness that you give? How do you think about the forgiveness that you give? Do you carry those grouses for years? How about those people who are close to the grave and they're still carrying the grouses? Come join me now. Myself, Jackie, Lady D, Churnet, and also Max Poet. Come and join us. Let's have a discussion. Let's talk about forgiveness 2025. What is the quality of your forgiveness? Do you forgive or not? That's the question. Come join me now on Inside the Zone with Lady D and the gang. And you can also find us on other media platforms.